Tooraloo-ra, tooraloo-ra, yeah. Hello and good day to you. Come on, I mean, this is beautiful. That was the joke for the opener. Tooraloo-ra-loo-ra-loo-ra-loo. Come on, I mean. How can you say this isn't beautiful? I hope you have your coffee, your tea, whatever it may be. I hope you're feeling fine. I hope you're feeling fantastic. I hope that your day is beautiful and your spirit is filled with joy. I'm here, as always, to share with you the beauty, the peace, and the marvel of the world that surrounds us. And this is it. This is our beauty. This is our joy. This is our peace. This is our marvel. We have the sun spilling in to brighten up our lives. We have the trees above to provide us with this amazing air we breathe. We have the water to flow and cleanse and provide. And oh my goodness, it provides. We have the rocks at our feet to help ground us. So let's enjoy this moment. Grab your coffee or tea, whatever it may be. Sit down and maybe if you can't sit, stand. Whatever it is you are doing right now. And enjoy this beauty with me. There's something here I don't know, I just have to share this. I just want you to look right there. This is our wonderful world. This is our sun in the sky. This is our warmth in our hearts. And I hope you have warmth in your heart. And I hope you have a sun in your sky. Doesn't matter if it's night, day. Doesn't matter if the stars are out or if the clouds have covered everything. I hope you have a sun in your sky. Brighten your day. Bring warmth to your heart. And that sun and that sky doesn't have to be up there. Most certainly can be right in here. So have yourself an extra cup of coffee, tea, whatever it may be. Sometimes we need one to get through the day. I know I do. Find joy and peace and love and magic. You know, there's plenty of joy and peace and love and magic in the world. Just remember to get your little piece. However, I will bid you adieu. I'll be leaving links below for my Twitch and other ways to show your support and appreciation. Please follow me on Twitch. Just help me get like 20 more people following me, and I'll be so appreciative. And I thank you so much. Be excellent, my friends. Take care. Be well. Stay amazing. And I'll see you all again real soon. I'm gonna say bye for now, though. Bye-bye.